Hello friends, welcome to Knowledge Badhao where you will get all kind of educational video lesson wise. Today we will discuss about the control shortcut keys A to Z, which is important in our day-to-day life as well as in various competitive exams. So let's start. First is Control plus A, that is used to select all the paragraphs or all the letters. Second, Control plus B. It is used to bold the selected part. Control plus C. It is used to copy, but it is not used alone. It is always used with Control plus V, that stands for paste. Control plus D, that is font style, that is used to change the font style. Control plus E, that used to align all the paragraphs to the center. Control plus F, it is used to find the next. Control plus G, it stands for go to. Control plus H, it stands for replace. Control plus I, italic. Control plus J, justify. Now, what is justify? Let's understand. Suppose I have written some sentence which contains this much letter I, M, L. The length is this much. And then in second line I have written A, B, C, D. This much means this is short, this is long. Suppose likewise I am writing it. Some containing the more letter and some containing less. So the use of justify, it will add the extra space and make it all equal. This is the meaning of the justify. Now Control plus K, it is used to add the hyperlink. If you will select that link, then it will throw you to another page. Now Control plus L, that align all the content to the left side. Now Control plus M, that is the paragraph indent. Control plus N, it is used to open the new page. Control plus T, it is used to print any page. Control plus Q, it is used to clear the indent paragraph. Control plus R, same as when we press the Control plus L, then it align all the content to the left direction. But when you press Control plus R, then it align all the content to the right direction. Control L will place all the thing to the left and Control R will place all the thing to right. Now Control plus S, it is used to save any document. Suppose I have written some document, some page you have made, and if you will press the Control plus S, then it will save this document wherever path you have selected. Control plus T, it is used for hanging indent. Control plus U, it is used to underline. Suppose you have written A, B, C and you have pressed Control plus U together. Then it will place one underline below this A, B, C. Control plus B, it is used to paste. Whatever you have selected, suppose some lines or some paragraphs are written here and you have selected this all. By selecting Control plus C, that is used for copy. Or you have selected Control plus A, you selected all the pages, all the page and you have pressed Control plus C. And when you will press the Control plus B, then whatever you have selected in the new place, it will be pasted. Understand? Now Control plus W, it is used to close the document. Control plus X, it is used to cut the paragraph or letters or page that you have selected. Control plus Y, it is redo, that is the forward action. And Control plus Z, that is the undo, that I will show you. Suppose I have written A, B, C. Now I have to reverse this. So what this button is? I am pressing undo. Understand? If you want to see it again, then redo A, B, C. Like that it works. So here is all the keywords related to control, that is from A to Z, that I tried to provide you. If you like this video, then please subscribe the channel and be with me for more informative video. Thank you.